So let's get into this. My personal journey with the Protect and Prevent Mineral Facial Sunscreen spans over a year now, which I've made it my daily ritual. It is Feather Light, mineral infused facial sunscreen that I also use on my neck. It has a dependable shield of broad spectrum SPF 30 protection against UVA and UVB rays, along with counteractive effects of things like blue light and pollution. So let's get started. We're going to jump into some enlightening facts, okay? Which this might be my favorite part of the video. So did you know the extent and prominence of wrinkles are significantly influenced by an individual's cumulative sun exposure over their lifetime? So it really does impact the health of our skin, right? Conventional chemical sunscreens often feature ingredients that pose potential harm to our endocrine system. And there are prominent sunscreens available on the market that contain filters, which comprise a cocktail of elements that ultimately find their way into our blood, our urine, even breast milk after just one use. That's crazy. The absorption process of that surpasses FDA's deemed safe levels. So alarming research also shows that there are 4 very common chemicals in sunscreens that actually trigger dormant viral infections within coral supporting algae, which can lead to great harm to nearby coral communities. Research has also indicated that certain sunscreen ingredients can disrupt our hormones, potentially leading to problems like fertility issues, adverse birth outcomes, and even cancer. 90% of visible skin changes are attributed to ultraviolet light. That's the UV, right? The remaining 10% is linked to high energy visible light. So that's HEV, what we commonly call blue light, and then other environmental factors like pollution and things like that. The American Academy of Dermatology strongly advocates for sunscreen usage with an SPF of 30 or higher when we're anticipating any type of sun exposure. And did you know that higher SPF needs to be applied just as frequently as products with a lower SPF? Regardless of the SPF level, reapplication is really important when you're outdoors. Ideally, it's going to be every 2 hours and more frequently if you're swimming or sweating. So my rationale behind the consistent usage of this sunscreen really hinges on the fact that sun damage can arise even on the overcast days, even when I'm not going outside. It contributes to fine lines, to wrinkles. Additionally, the air pollution and blue light from screens and devices, right, can also detrimentally impact the skin's health. Using a reliable mineral daily sunscreen is really important for preserving our skin's vitality, irrespective of our plans outdoors, which I didn't always view it that way. So we're going to dive into some specifics and the distinction between physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen. It's pretty noteworthy. While chemical sunscreens' active ingredients absorb UV rays to shield the skin, physical sunscreens obstruct. So the rays bounce off, and chemical variants seep into the skin when we're using chemical sunscreens, whereas a physical sunscreen, the ingredients remain confined to the outer layer of the skin. So we're not absorbing anything, which is really important. So this is a physical sunscreen. The rays are going to bounce right off. What truly captivates me about this is that it's multifaceted. Beyond guarding against the sun, it doubles up as a defender against pollution, blue light. It promotes a youthful, healthy complexion. It's very hydrating. It's lightweight, fast absorbing, and it's a non-greasy formula. That's a definite highlight for me. And the ease of application with this, the compatibility with the other skincare products in our line, it's suitable for use after your skincare and under makeup. It makes it an all-star. It's formulated with non-nano zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. This product boasts a substantial 72% bio-based content sourced from renewable plants and resources. It's an eco-friendly composition. It aligns with the reef-friendly certification that it has. It gives us water and sweat resistance alongside dermatologist tested assurance. I love that. So it's great for all skin types as well. A remarkable feature with this is that it's very versatile. Versatile. It's suitable for all ages, 6 months and on up. It's weightless. It has a weightless texture. It provides a very luxurious feel while safeguarding and nourishing the skin. It's designed to complement the Norwex skincare line, and you can get it as a standalone item or part of our complete skincare set, which is a really great value. Moreover, you can also get this on our auto ship and save program on an ongoing basis with an additional 10% discount. Application's a breeze. You simply integrate it into your skincare routine beneath makeup. A modest 1 or 2 pumps will be sufficient. That would be approximately a 1/4 teaspoon. So let's use this, right? Because I've used mineral sunscreens in the past and it left a white sheen. So we don't want that. All right, so I'm going to just do 1 pump. I would do 2 pumps if I was going to be outside. So it goes on, it feels good, very hydrating. I think it helps makeup stick to my face or just looks good alone. My eyelids, it's gentle. There's no harmful chemicals in it that I have to worry about getting close to my eyes. Get that neck. Look at that. Looks good. Looks hydrated. And I want you guys to know you can have confidence in Norwex's commitment to our protection. The ingredients that it has, like there's an ingredient called energinous, and I know I may have said that wrong. It's derived from the ashwagandha plant. It acts as a guard against smartphone, tablet, and computer-emitted blue light. It also has Stop, which is an ingredient that plays a role in the anti-pollution, creates a barrier against the environmental stressors. And the main active ingredients in this are zinc oxide at 6.8% and non-nano titanium dioxide at almost 3%. It really makes this an exceptional formula. It also has a new airless pump, which is awesome. And what that does, it ensures the product remains fresh and ready to go, preserving the ingredients while ensuring that I get every single last drop. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the Protect and Prevent Mineral Sunscreen. I'll see you guys real soon. Have a great night. Bye.